Metamask is the most common and popular wallet people use to interact with decentralized applications, otherwise known as Dapps. Primarily, it was built on Ethereum blockchain or only housed on the Ethereum blockchain, but now you can find others in it. So in this video, I will show you step-by-step tutorial guide on how to download the Metamask from the right source, how to set up and perform functions inside it, as well as the safety precautions you need to take in order to save your coins from being hacked. Hello, you're welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money through crypto and enjoy your life freedom. Let's get started. Okay, step 1 is go to your Chrome browser or any browser you're using, type metamask.io, then install the Metamask on your Chrome extension. You click on this place, you click on add, then you click on add extension, and automatically it will be added. And once it's added, you can find it here. So for newbie, you're creating a new account. For old users, you can import your account using this place. So you click on create account, then you click on agree. You put in your password. So let me put in my password now. So the moment you put your password, you click on this place, and if in case you want to check if they are correct, or if they are not correct, it will indicate you can click on show. So you click connect. Then here is a tutorial guide on how you can set up your wallet here. It's already given to you, so I'll just move straight. Now here is my security recovery phrase or a seed phrase. However, this is what takes you, or this is what you use whenever you want to import it in a new device, and maybe in case you misplace this device and you download extension, I mean Metamask extension, you need to import, like using that previous setting. You see create account, you say import, and you'll be asked a question from this, meaning that you need to keep your seed phrase secret. That is why it is locked here. You don't need to see it. All right, so you need to keep it, and I advise you write it in a piece of paper. Do not save it a place anyone can have access to it. Like if you put it on your email, anyone that have access to your email, that has access to your email, can automatically take your money. All right, so but the previous password you put is just like a passcode to access this place. It doesn't really break anything. It doesn't give people the opportunity to take your money. Anyone that has that password cannot take your money, but who has a seed phrase can take your money. But for the purpose of this video, I will review it. Now here are mine. So you will have to keep them the way they are arranged. They are orderly arranged. 1 is napkin, 2 is blood, 3 is art, 4 is pattern, and 8 is tiny. 4 is pattern, 3 is art, and tiny. So for me to continue, I will just need to click next, and I will put the words I was giving at. I'm actually opening this because I've misplaced it. I did not save it because it's just for tutorial sake. I can recall, but let me go back again and review. It's tiny that was missing, so I'm just putting it here. By the time you've seen this video, I must have deleted this account just for this tutorial. All right, so you click, then you click on got a news pop out here for you, then you click done. Remove this news, but make sure you read all through everything here. You can do your NFT. So here we got it. So 2 is the Metamask interface and how they work. But starting from there, you just need to check here. Now you can see that you can create multiple accounts if you want to. Like if I click here now and I type Gibeni 2, I've created another account. Here is Gibeni 2. If you open it here, you will see that is Gibeni account 1 and Gibeni 2. Now they are under the same seed phrase, so it saves you the stress of having many seed phrases on different accounts. So under the same seed phrase, and you can do transactions on different of them depending on the one you want to choose. So you can create as many as you want instead of having so many different. It's just one seed phrase to many accounts. And if you can check here, you will see that the wallet address here is different, and here is different, right? So let's say we want to start with 2, and we've shown you this. Next, you can go to settings. Maybe you didn't do anything on the backup phrase. You can also do them here. All right, You can come to security. You can also review, if you want to check, maybe you did not copy it initially, you can still use here to copy it again. Then in advance, you can always come here. Maybe if your MetaMask is giving you some issues, you can come here to clear activities on the tab and you move on. And other things you can also learn from here. So the next we need to look at is the Ethereum. You can look now, we see we have Ethereum here, and this Ethereum doesn't have any money because this is our zero balance, as you can see. So Ethereum is not just the only token, only coin here. Rather, Ethereum you see here is the coin of Ethereum network. That is a native token or a native coin of Ethereum network or Ethereum blockchain. All right. So what this means is that coin, of course, I've did a video previously on that. Coins are token that already has a blockchain or a native token to a particular blockchain. And what they need here is just they allow you to transact. They are the fees you will use to pay to facilitate other transactions you want to do on token. Right? Token are the ones that are built on a blockchain, the already existing blockchain. So I can build my token on Ethereum blockchain, meaning that I will be needing, anybody that wants to execute transaction will be needing Ethereum to execute transaction of my own token. Let's say I want to build Gibeni. Now Gibeni happens to be a token. You will need Ethereum on a MetaMask anytime you want to do a transaction. And how does that work? You need to add a token. Now let's look for a token to add. You come to CoinGecko, we look for Theta. A Theta is also built on Ethereum network. That is why you are seeing this smart contract wallet address here. If I click on this place, I can also add it automatically to my MetaMask. But then I want to show you something, so you be careful. You can see Ethereum USDT Theta is not only built on Ethereum, they are built on other blockchain. So in case you want to do transaction on another blockchain, you will be needing them. However, is Ethereum we're actually on, so I will just copy this here. Then I will come to my MetaMask, then I'll click on import. Now if I search for USDT, it's going to pop out. But if I'm not convinced, because I already have a smart contract address, I can just paste it here and the data will pop up. You see USDT, the decimal code, and you click on add, then import. Once you've done that, I've added USDT to this particular account. So here is it. You can see I still have zero balance. Let me push this up now. You can see I have a zero balance here. So you can use this process to add as many network you want to add. Let's say you want to add Shiba Inu. Let's say you want to add Shiba Inu. Let's type here Shiba. No, I typed wrongly. Shiba. Now let's check if the this is not Shiba Inu. Don't worry, let's go to, okay, I would have typed SHIB. SHIB is the ticker name, right? Here is it. So I typed SHIB, is loading, and once that is done, all right, so you can see it here again, the smart contract for Shiba. Meaning this is the smart contract that was used to interact. This is what interact Shiba Inu on the Ethereum blockchain, and that's why if you want to do any transaction, you use Ethereum. So if I click here, it will add. If I check here, I can see other network, but like I showed previously. So let's click on add to MetaMask. Directly from here, we click on add. This is the second process I'm showing you now. And come to your MetaMask, you see it's already added automatically. So these are the different ways you can actually add a MetaMask to this place. Next one here is to show you other network and how to add other network to this place. So it's not only Ethereum network you'll be transacting on. It might be transacting on, might be Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche Chain, Polygon, Matic, and so many of them. And how do you do that? You use this place called add network. Now you can see different network here you can add, right? You see Arbitrum 1, you can see Aurora Mainnet, you can see Avalanche, and you can see Binance Smart Chain, previously Binance Smart Chain Mainnet. You can see Celo Mainnet, you can see Phantom Opera. So these are the ones you can add. So let's say I want to add Arbitrum. So I will click on this add, then I will click on approve, then it's adding. Then if I want to switch to that network, of course I will, but now let's keep it this way. So we're still on Ethereum mainnet. So if I click on this place, you can see I've already added it, but I've not switched. Switching is only when I tick this. If I want to remove, I can also click here, but let me switch to Arbitrum. I'll click on got it. So automatically you have to change. Oh, sorry, I forgot. They're still on the process. They're still building the exchange, but it's still on Ethereum. Let me add an already existing blockchain. Let me add Avalanche here. Sorry, Arbitrum is still on process by the time I'm making this video. So let's click this space. I've added Avalanche network here. So let me switch to Avalanche. You see, it changes to Avalanche. So if I want to do any transaction, I need to fund Avalanche here for me to be able to use it to transact. So if I want to import a token, I also need to import a token that is also built on Avalanche, and it will display here the same process. And let's say you want to add a particular network and maybe it's new and is not among this place. All right, you can do that manually, or you can use a chain list here. Using this chain list, you will see a lot of network here. You can add many as they are here. So let's say we want to add Binance Smart Chain. So you can click on add. Okay, I think I've done this previously. Sorry, I will need to come back and redo it. Sorry, I could not connect because I already have a network here before now. All right, so here is it. You always visit chainlist.org, and I want to add because it's not connected, you can see. So first of all, we just need to connect. What we'll do is to click on here. If it's Polygon, you can click on Polygon. So you can click on this place now. It will take you to this. Which of the network, which of the account do you want to? If you want to add at account 1, or you want to add the 2, you want to choose one, anyone at all, you can just choose, and then you can click on next. Then you click on connect. Now automatically you click on approve. You can see the URL, everything here. In case next time you want to do manually, you'll be needing all that. So I've connected already. Now I've come back to my Metamask. Now you can see, open this place, you will see we have Binance chain. And I think I actually switched to Binance chain already. Let me remove this here so that I can go back. Now I'm already on Binance Smart Chain mainnet. So what this means is that if I'm trading any coin, I would definitely be trading with Binance Smart Chain. So I have to fund here to use it to execute transaction. Don't forget, I only need to add import tokens also that are inside, that are built on Binance Smart Chain. So for me to do that, I also need to fund here, and then you find my BNB Binance, and then we'll move on from there. So what I would show you now is how to buy, send, swap, bridge, NFTs, and activity. But activities are mainly all the transaction history that you've done so far. But don't forget everything I've taught you here. Do well to check them, and if you want to remove anyone, like if I want to remove this Arbitrum one, I can click here, then I'll click on delete. It is off. All right, so it's a very simple step, but for those of you that actually want to do a airdrop and all that, make sure you're using this, and do not fund a lot of money on this place. I think I've did a precautionary video on this before now, and I made a post on our Telegram channel. All right, so on my next video, I'll be showing you how to buy, and how to trade on different network, and how to swap. All right, on my next video. So now you are done watching this video, I'm sure you must have learned how to use the Metamask like a pro. To encourage me making more videos like this one, do like, comment, and drop comment of any other video you want me to make. I'll be glad to make the video, and I always publish on my YouTube channel. So do hit the subscription button there to always get notification whenever I drop my video. See you again in my next video, and my name is Gabriel.